is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
Good Monday afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters. And right now, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, final 60 minutes of the trading day, and you got markets. Pretty tame action, right? You look at this trading range. We're talking about a trading range of about 2 to 5 points all day, folks. You had lows out there of about 64.60. We're 10 points above there, so call it a 10-point range. We've had some tails above that area, but the S&P's negative by 1 point right now. NASDAQ 100, we're negative by 19. A little bit of an acceleration from the lows made a couple hours ago, but negative by 9. Dow off by 55 points right now, trading at 44,985 in the Russell. In positive territory, higher by 10. Bitcoin, we were lower when I was doing the show this morning. How about it, man? You're talking about almost $2,000 higher. Yeah, we were approaching 115,000 this morning. You're back to 116,875. Ethereum, down $16 at 43.82. We jumped to the all-important notes and bonds and dollar and how they tie to metals and commodities. The 10-year right now, we're negative by 2 ticks. You got a 10-year yield, 4.34. 4.34. It always seems so easy, like yields are going back down, and then kaboom, we get a little bit of a surprise. Last week it was the PPI number. Excuse me, that number on Thursday. I mean, folks, you want to tell me technicals don't matter? You're telling me this area that we go up to every time we've done it since April. Okay, once, twice, 3 times early this month, and again, and that's at about 4.2%. Okay? But since then, you're down almost a full point. And right now, you get the 10-year back at 4.34. So yes, lower price, higher yield. And you get a little bit of a bounce. But boy, talk about so little, right? We've seen the bounce we've had in yields. Meanwhile, the dollar can barely get above 98 right now. And with a little bit of dollar strength, you have a little bit of gold weakness right now. Gold off $5, trading at $33.77, folks. We jump around to some of the movers. Novo Nordisk, up by 4.3%. They'll be pushing their Wegovy drug out at a cheaper price. Yeah, they're talking about Palantir in the den. Citron out there talking their own book on shorts, and boy, they're saying that Palantir, nowhere near the valuation that they're claiming. Hey, we'll see if the market, but lower. Look at that drop. From almost 190 on Wednesday, we're at 173, down almost 10% from where you were on Wednesday. We jump over to NVIDIA, up by 1.1%. We're coming back for the hour. Intel, negative 2.9. We'll come back, folks. Don't go away. Be back in 3 minutes.